Hello, I'm here at the Conley-Guerrero Senior Activity Center in the garden. Here to show you the 8 new garden beds that the St. David's Foundation has donated to us. We have made them around waist high so you have better access to the garden. There's some peppers we have growing over here. Sweet peppers. This area we have okra growing with 3 varieties. We have burgundy okra, emerald velvet, and the Clemson spineless. Some new trellis here for cucumbers to climb up. We have tomatillos. We expanded the garden with 2 new beds over here. We have melons growing here. We have squash and beans growing over here. Some of the baby squash. We have some eggplant with the big velvety leaves. Good thing to do daily is to check underneath the leaves for aphids. You'll see them here some. You can smush them with your fingers. It'll slow them down. This is an eggplant flower. It's a Thai basil bed over here. And we got marigolds. It's a natural pesticide to keep aphids away from your garden. There's some dill. These are the dill flowers. We have some tomatoes growing over here and beans. 2 different varieties of tomatoes. So that's the new beds we have. Hope to see you here soon, helping out in the garden.